Day number 2 because the weather was ass. And apparently I don't know how this engine goes together. Because I put the head on backwards. Who would think that would actually go on backwards, because it has two like little dowels that guide the head in. And so I mean it's on right now, and I got my crew right here. So we're gonna finish this up today. We snapped the cam bolt too. We snapped that one right there. And almost snapped the other one. So we're gonna be replacing these with two I got at the junkyard out of another 1DZ VVTi, because I mean I didn't want to go to Ace Hardware and just use those bolts because I couldn't find an exact one. And plus, if we torque them down correctly, it really shouldn't be an issue.
Well, you should probably clean that.
You should probably clean it up. But yeah, we're pretty close. We just need to kind of fix the timing, check the clearance a little bit, and yeah. After we're done sealing it up, we can just hopefully slap the turbo on, downpipe, wastegate, you know, all of that fun stuff, and hopefully get maybe the intercooler piping sorted out. I don't know how far we'll get today, but as long as the engine is in there, hopefully we'll be fine. Crap, I just touched that. Alright, we're putting in the oil pump now. God damn it, Andy, took this off, bro.
There you go. Okay. No, okay. Alright.
Let me get the bolts.
Okay. That's good. It's on there.
No, it's still loose, bro. It's like hella loose. Look.
Well, there's nothing right there, I think.
And it'll tighten down with the bolts. This first one.
So you sure you don't want to clean these real quick? Because it has a little bit of gunk on it.
Yeah.
So let's clean it.
Let's clean them real quick. We got the oil pump installed, and that little dot right there, that little dot right there, is gonna help us find TDC with this little key on the crankshaft right there. So that's aligned. What's next, guy?
Cam caps.
Right. Let's not over torque these down and break them again. All right.
I guess these are your timing marks.
Yeah, they're timing marks to align it.
You gotta use a timing light for that?
No, I don't think so. Anyway, this isn't completely installed, but we just installed the tension just to see that everything's in good tune. So we're gonna rotate it, and hopefully the tension. Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah, they went now.
All right, keep rotating it. Everything feeling good?
Feels good. Feels smooth.
Awesome. I don't think we can really see in there now. You can't. I can though. Pistons are moving up and down. That's a good sign. Looks like everything's in check. This was my biggest fear of doing this, is the timing, but Toyota makes it really easy with these marks on the cams. This isn't an OE chain, but it has the yellow marks on it, and it's not like a cheap one either, so it should be fine. So I mean, judging by that,
Spring out, press the slipper,
judging by the old video that we have, and that the timing marks aren't aligned, are they supposed to stay aligned?
check that the point mark in the caption is progress straight line okay, if not, turn the crankshaft revolution and align the marks as.
So after about spending an hour or two on the timing, we're sure it's right. We're turning the crankshaft.
All the way up.
We referenced the manual.
So it'd be 144
and
plus 24.
yeah. Do you guys want me to do a conversion on Google? Alright guys, so we got the timing situation sorted out. We watched plenty of YouTube videos and consulted the manual, and we rotated the crank a couple of times. It is not coming off. Like, I mean, what I meant is the valves aren't meeting the pistons, which is exactly what we want. And although you initially line them up with the dots, with the yellow marks, but I didn't know this, so in case you guys don't either and you're attempting to do this, these yellow marks will move around and not end up being in the same spot as they were initially, but apparently that is fine. I hope it is, because
What's that guy, the Bosnian guy?
yeah, I think it's Bosnian or Bulgarian. Some Russian guy on YouTube that said the Toyota Celica was not, he didn't say Celica, but Corolla.
He said you gotta spin it 100 times.
Yeah, you have to spin it before they match up, which is what he said. I don't know. Well, he seems pretty reliable. What do you think?
Yeah, I trust him.
What do you think, Drew? All right, to go. So we're just gonna seal up the timing chain cover. We got the TRD thermostat installed on where the thermostat goes. So now we just gotta apply our TV to that.
Yeah, you forgot to put the pistons in. I forgot. I think you forgot.
Yeah.
the oil.
You know, I think I forgot the head. No, we actually put the head on backwards, which is sad. All right, let's get this shit done, boys.
Hey, put the cooler in. So you should really replace this pulley, bro. Like, fuck, it's really bad. It's not ugly. It's just that it might slip.
With all that rust on there, bro, that's grip. That's extra friction.
Hey,
right there.
did you get the thing to pop out, Drew? Yeah, I got it.
You popped it out?
Yeah.
You should.
Yeah. Was there a gasket on here, guys?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the girl pulled it on, put it back in with no gasket, remember?
Alright, now what crank pulley? Yeah, I tested the tension. It's on it now.
Where the hell's the other one?
What?
Where's the other stuff? The roll covers.
This?
No. What were we missing a nut for earlier?
Right here? Bro, this right here.
Yeah, there you go. Unfortunately, we didn't. Andy took off the timing cover and I stopped recording because I was moving the camera around. When I turned around, this motherfucker already had all the timing shit off. I'm like,
Well, you saw how easy it was to put on.
and it took us 2 hours.
Well, you make sure to get it
Put
right.
it on, yeah.
The whole different story. Taking off these things like this. Or whatever they do already.
Where does this one go?
Still got
What? I'm missing one. This shit definitely doesn't go.
Maybe, do you remember that miscellaneous bolt?
Is it long?
It looks like that.
Does it really?
If it gets stuck, it's too long. Kind of small, guy. It's not.
I mean, we're missing one bolt. You think we'll be okay?
I would get one.
Is it this?
Yeah.
It looks like it has some RTD on it.
Yeah, not this one.
Too small.
Okay. So the
Really,
crank
bud?
placing is back here.
Yeah. So if I see the
No,
turbo,
pass me the other one that you just had it. Cause look, this one has a washer on it. See that imprint? That's it.
maybe once everything gets tightened down.
Yeah.
Ow. I think I'm not gonna put this on. This is for the plastic cover that goes on top of the valve cover that says BBTI. We'll just chug it, and then we're like, oh wait, I needed that. Actually, that works. In the meantime.
Okay, right, it does. Did you see that woman drifting yesterday? The challenge?
They keep posting it all the time.
It's weird. That was pretty cool.
You know what else is pretty cool? My nuts. One of them's lower than the other.
Pretty sure they're hot right now. Hot spicy.
No shit, they are. I'm wearing pants. What's up, Drew? That's why I smell curry. You're cooking, aren't you, bro?
He's steaming.
Slow cooking.
To be honest, this may be it. Okay.
Yeah, I remember now. One of them goes back there.
Cause look, that washer has the same imprint right there. I mean,
Yeah.
all these kind of. I think it's just the flange. So.
Well, let's all pose in front of the engine real quick for So yours truly is kind of an idiot because I'm so used to the 7A FE in the daily. I should have tapped the drain towards the back of the engine, obviously, because the freaking turbo is going to be back here. So my bad, I'm going to have to go get one out, pull apart, but it's no big deal, I guess. So we're almost done putting all the accessories on, and we're currently putting in the ARP. Hold up, is there lube that goes with these? There's instructions. Alright, we're installing the studs, and later in the week, or maybe tomorrow morning, I can go to pull apart and find a freaking oil pan and just take that off because I'm an idiot and I put this shit on the wrong side. Damn you, 7A FE. Alright, she's really coming together, guys. We got all the accessories on, right?
Yeah.
And I'm not gonna lie, some of these I couldn't afford to get new because all the money's in there. So, I mean, they were good when I pulled out the engine, except I'm obviously gonna keep them cleaner. If we go around here, got the water pump, Tier D thermostat in there, tensioner, right side engine mount. That should be alright, hopefully. And yeah, we did this while this guy was nice enough to go to Home Depot to find some nuts so we can install these studs, because even though they have Allens, they seem to strip pretty easily, so I don't want that happening. So we're just gonna use the 2 nut method because that's pretty much what everyone uses, and torque them down to 30 foot-pounds, right? With 30 weight oil. So after that, the best part, we get to test fit the turbo, or I think we might put the band on, or belt, I mean, serpentine belt. So keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so we got the manifold on, we torqued down all the bolts. We just reclocked that housing so the intercooler piping should be able to go on. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, slide it on there. Mm-hmm.
That's what she said.
Nice. Actually, take it off. We need to put the gasket on, dude. Alright guys, I'm just gonna give you a walk around. No, I'm not gonna get copyrighted. Hey, they need it. I'm gonna sing along. Anyway, this is basically the setup, guys. We're just gonna take the turbo off, tighten it on, put the little gasket that goes in between there, and everything else is good to go.
What was the last update?
I don't know. I mean, probably the same thing. But I'm gonna stop recording until we start putting the clutch on and stuff because my other phone's storage is full, and I mean, you guys have seen basically most of the engine work.
Well, they need a mount. Tell me to get a new mount.
Yeah, I need a new mount. Toyota, sponsor me. Send me a new mount, please. Yeah. But yeah, this is gonna be it. After this, we're gonna put the crane together, and we're gonna bolt up the ugly tranny over there because.
Bro, why are you calling trannies ugly?
I'm calling transmission, bro. Chill out. And we're just lubing up the turbo.
Think it needs pressure? Oh, I spilled it off.
Rotating this right here makes the level kind of drop in here, just so the bearings are well lubricated, because you guys can see as I spin it, the level kind of drops. Borg Warner, you guys, we're legit. But yeah, you guys can see right there, the wheel drops because it's going into the bearing inside. So I'll catch you guys in a bit because we kind of have to do this quick before the sun sets too much. It's starting to. Alright guys, we're tightening the turbo down now with the gasket in there.
Yeah.
Fuck. No, we're not, because they can't hear me. It's emo music, screaming loud, roar. I actually really do like post-hardcore. Alright guys, so we're putting the stand together to give you guys a quick update. This is tightened down. We put anti-seize in case I ever need to take it out, which hopefully I don't. But yeah, so this is on here. We'll probably put the downpipe right as the last step, but we're building the crane so we can take it off of here. And what the hell, there's a lot of oil on there. So we can put the flywheel and all the other good stuff. Alright, we got it off the stand, and oh no, it's leaking oil.
Hey, wait.
It's not going in, or? Alright, give us a sec, guys. Alright guys, so we got the main seal in, or rear main seal, and we put some force all the way around it. It feels even, I think. Yeah, it's good. It should be good. Alright, now we're gonna bolt up the flywheel and everything, and keep you guys posted. It's starting to drizzle, and hopefully it just stops for a bit and it's not much. Alright guys, so yeah, there's a little knife right there. Time for the Fidanza flywheel. Sorry I haven't been doing more time lapses because, I mean, it's dark outside. It was kind of drizzling, but it's kind of not, I mean, you can kind of see the clouds, kind of not there.
It says, please remove green coating from friction plate with acetone-based product and cloth.
What if I use acetone?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah,
let me go get some acetone. Oh, hold up, stickers. I'm gonna set, here, you want one? Yeah. Put on the Z3, drift car.
Put on the engine.
Put on the engine so it mounts. Fidanza, guys. So apparently on the Fidanza flywheels, I don't know if I showed you guys in the video, but you need to remove that green coating on there. And luckily I had some acetone. There's more paper. Alright. So all of that crap needs to come off. But Andy, what do you think? Lightest flywheel ever?
Yeah, it's pretty light.
Only 8 pounds. It's lighter than the MWR one, but I only bought it because it was actually only $10 more the day I bought it. Normally it's like 400 something, and I got it for like, I think 360. So hell yeah, I was gonna buy this one. All right, we'll keep you guys posted. All right guys, so all the bolts are torqued down. Sorry for the weird lines on the video, but they're all torqued down, and we marked them just in case if they ever come loose. we'll know like, oh, okay, that's what happened. So time for the upgraded Monk MWR Gorilla Clutch, rated for 450, which is over our goal, but hopefully we'll make it to 400 safely. And yeah, so we're gonna get this bolted up. My phone is dying, so I'll do my best I can do to keep you guys updated. Alright guys, we got the Gorilla Clutch on there with the flywheel, and that looks pretty straight, right? Yeah, it looks pretty straight. We took down all the bolts, full ARP hardware on the pressure plate and the flywheel. So yeah, we're gonna get the nasty transmission on here because I didn't really clean it, but oh well. Awesome. Alright, we got the transmission on, we tightened the bolts down.
Sorry.
No, you're fine, dude. We tightened them down. It is, what time is it? It's 11:30. So yeah.
Really?
11:21. But it's late. We're almost done. And yeah. So hopefully we can get in there. All the bolts are tightened down. I'm just gonna plop it in there.
Like, it always forgets this one because we have like small hiccups.
Yeah, like the grease and stuff. But so
Probably for like a couple hours just
it's working.
going around, like, not working on it.
And all right, let's get it in, good, my guy.